everyone. So let's do the wet in wet technique. This is the first one. Make sure you wet the paper. Evenly. This technique is used mainly to do skies and water. Just to let you know, this is cold press paper 300 GSM, and it's from Saunders and Waterford. Saunders and Waterford is my favourite paper. Okay, so let's do it. As you can see, it's spreading, and it's very even as well. It gives a less harsher outcome. Hence why it's used for skies, and also let's do another colour. Everything's in the description box, all the colours that I have used. I'm going to try to aim for just 2 or 3 colours for each different technique, the same colours. Let's see if I can manage that. As you can see, there's no harsh lines. It's completely blended in. And you can move the colour around. Almost looks like a galaxy type of sky. And even if you go with the darker tones, they don't have the harsh edges, as you can see. The key is to prepare your paper and make sure you've already pre-prepared your paints as well, just before painting the sky or sea. Let's add some more dark colours. And do these like dark clouds. And you can add more water as well. giving a beautiful effect. We have the light tones, the dark tones. And you can, move the colour around, you can take it away as well. Just add these more dark tones. And you can add a little bit of the other tone. And you can see the beautiful effect the wet and wet has. Let's see how this dries. We'll see in the end after I've done all the different watercolor techniques. It's such a cool effect. And very easy as well. Perfect, like I said, for skies and doing the sea, or if you're going for some other effect. So that was the wet and wet technique.